Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Meetup Organizer Tools feature. So let me tell you guys, Meetup has integrated its Organizer tools directly into the main Meetup member app. So to use these features, just head to your Meetup app, then tap on the Home tab at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now under your event section, go to one of your event and then tap Create at the top right corner to create an event. Now set your group location and type your venue or address or paste a Zoom link for online events. Now, one of the most popular mobile tools in the event check-in feature. Just open your event, go to the attendees. Now, the next what you have to do is event check-in. Open your event, go to the attendees list and quickly swipe member cards right to mark them as present or left to note a no-show. Now assign other members as event hosts directly from the attendee manager and your existing events. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.